Elizabeth Danielle Pujadas. Hi, I'm here for the 3 o'clock admissions interview.
Oh, I had a Doug Finkel down for 3.
I'm Doug's fiance, Judy. Doug's running a little late, but we can go ahead and get started. There are 3 reasons why Leota Dental School needs Doug Finkel.
No, I'm sorry. Well, why don't we just wait for him to get here?
Okay, Doug's not actually coming.
What?
Yeah, he doesn't know I'm here. Or that he applied to dental school. But that does not take away the fact that Doug Finkel has always had special relationships with
Okay,
teeth.
I don't know what's happening here. He doesn't know he applied to dental school.
Look, mister, Doug doesn't know what he wants, but I do. And I think this would be the perfect fit. Sure, Doug has his limits, but that doesn't mean that he has to be like a real doctor, no offense. But I think that this is something that he could do.
I just don't think that we can admit a student who has no interest in going and hasn't actually applied.
Well, I think that's kind of an unreasonable position.
It's not going to work.
Okay, fine. That's what you say. But I say when someone wants something this bad, for someone else, then there's nothing that can stand in that way of that person's dreams. For the other person. Good day.
That was